Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I'm going to discuss gold US dollar for 27th and 26th of September 2023. I will be trying to find out different support and resistance levels, different breakout zones to find out that potential trade opportunities for ourselves and so that we can trade it on especially 27th of September 2023. So first of all, let's have a look at gold US dollar right here. I will also be discussing euro US dollar in this video. This is a daily forex forecast or day trading video. So first of all, on the H4 of gold US dollar, what it gave us, we have got a very nice break of structure. So a break of structure right here, but before that I will like to study this story a little bit to find out the highs and the lows. Remember everyone, if you are analyzing or if you are trading and if you don't know the highs and the lows, it means you have no idea of the trends that are going on in the market. So first of all, we have to understand the highs, the lows and the breakouts, which can give us some nice directions of the market. First of all, this whole story all the way started from right here, as you can see, and this story I have covered very nicely. We have got a very nice break of structure right here, which I can for sure say that it was a very nice higher high with us, because right here if you see, we have got a drop, we have got several rejections right here, we have got a higher high right here. Market came down once again, took a very nice retracement right here, but it could not make that lower low and created another higher high. So this was the A, B, C, and that was the D. What happened after that? The market started to go down and it was a correction till this point. But when this correction did not work very nicely, what happened is the market dropped from there and dropped and created a lower low. If you see this and if you see this, you can clearly identify that this is a very nice lower low, lower than this one. So the trend was broken, and after that what happened is the market went back up, and from here the day trading starts. So the market went back up from there. I covered this whole move, most of you will remember. 1942 was a sell zone right here. 1942 was a sell zone, and from right here the TP zone was 1937. You can check back my previous videos. So what after that? Definitely what we have got right here, we have got a very nice rejection from the same resistance level up there, if you can see very nicely. And from there the market came down, it took a little bit of pullback, and from right here it dropped today, and when it dropped, it is currently trading at 1902.745. so as it is trading near the support zone, this is definitely a good question that can arise in our mind, and that can tell us that shall we take a buy trade. First of all, just looking at this candle, this is yet open, this is not closed, there is no pattern which tells us that okay, take a buy trade. So a buy trade right here, definitely at this stage we will need some confirmation. Stay with me, I will be discussing that on the H1. And on the H1, if you see, I would like to cover this whole story all the way from this correction 1901. And what it did is it again created a very nice higher high up there. We have got a very nice break of structure right here. See, a very nice break of structure, a retest of the same broken level, and the market continue back up. 1942 was my zone for a sell. It went almost 1947. This level gave us some nice trading opportunities twice, not just once but twice. You can check back my videos. And from right here the trades we took, we closed them at 1937. so what after that? Definitely if you see, a new story began, and this story, when it began right here from top to bottom, we got a little bit of pullback. The market took a very nice rejection from the previous broken level, and it not just once but twice it took this rejection, and the market come back down. So definitely what's next? First of all, we have to find out the trend in the market. When this drop was not happened, what was it doing, what was the trend going on in the market. So first of all, let me show you that, and then I will be giving a trading plan as well in this same video. So stay with me and make sure by the end of the video give me your feedback in the form of comments and in the form of likes. So before this occurred, what was going on in the market was this very nice trend in the market, and this was a very nice trend line. This gave good profits. And from where did the market reverse? If you see, we have a previous broken level. If you can see right here, this previous broken level acted to be a resistance, a very nice resistance. And what we have seen right here is a very nice break of structure. Market went all the way from right here towards there, gave a double top up there on the day trading level. It dropped, people bought it again, and from the same level it dropped. It even closed below this zone. So as we know, this trend line is broken at the moment, and there is no retest at the moment. So first of all, we have to find out that what it can do and what it can give us. Right here on the H1, this is a trend line which is not yet retested. There is also a good resistance zone with us. The previous broken level, which can act to be further, like the previous support zone that is broken, will become a resistance in the future. But for that, I have to switch to the M15 since we are discussing day trading today. So what happened after that is, once the trend line is broken on the M15, we have got a very nice retest of the trend line, and after that the market started to show downward moves, and the same level is tested on the M15 as well, and the market dropped. So what is going on right here at the moment, since we have got this breakout? What is going on right here? I have to zoom out the chart a little bit, and I would like to draw your attention to these lower low the market has created. So as this lower low, we have got it, we have got a previous structure retest as well. There is one opportunity we have, and that is there is no doubt a nice trend line that is established, and for that I will be connecting this high of the market with this one. And if you see, it can act a very nice resistance in the future. We have a broken level near 1914, 1916. So at the first place tomorrow, if it happens, definitely this area will be very ideal for looking some sell opportunities right here. Sell opportunities from there towards 61.8% retracement. This can be one case scenario with us. Let me show you that with a Fibonacci tool as well. Let's suppose if the market go back up from right here and we take a sell tomorrow from there, where will we be looking for our potential targets? Definitely 61.8% retracement. It will be dropping from there once again towards 1905. So this can be one trading opportunity we have. The second one, since right here we have to see this on the H1, and on the H1 the whole situation looks something like this. Even this trend line also suggests us that it is going to drop, but if I extend it a little bit like this, since tomorrow there will be some candles right here, maybe the market slow down and try to retest. So maybe this will be not possible, but there is one opportunity we have, and that is there is also a very nice level right here with us, if you can see clearly, and this is a support zone we have at the moment. So the trade plan is now clear, and I'm just going to explain it for you, that what you can do, what we can do potentially to make good profit. So first of all, this is clearly standing at a support right here. We have got a breakout, and whenever a breakout occurs, the market definitely go back up to take a retest, but it may not always be the case, right? So it may start to consolidate right here, and tomorrow if it go back up, we are going to take a sell trade from there. This is one sell opportunity right here with us. Another opportunity with us will be if the market go back up, and if it doesn't respect this trend line, and if it gives us a breakout, a retest, then we will be looking further for the retest of this trend line. Let me extend it a little bit so that you can understand right here. So the market, if it go back up from there, we take a sell trade, but it never give us profit. A little bit of stop loss will be hit, and if it gives a breakout, a retest, then we will be looking towards 1930 1926 level right here to retest this trend line once again. This is one opportunity, this is one sell, this is one buy. Catching it, that definitely depends on the trader how they catch it. This sell trade is very ideal in my opinion. Right here, for further sells the market, if it drops below, we will do nothing, but if it go back up and take a retest of this, then it can become a very nice sell zone with us. Then we will be looking for some further opportunities that how we can trade. At the moment, those who are looking for a buy opportunity right here, let me tell you that there is something else going on the higher time frames. I would also like to draw your attention to that as well, and that is definitely, no doubt, this market is clearly standing at this support zone. But if we see, we have got a very nice lower low, and we have got a break of structure right here. And if you know, this is also my strategy whenever Fibonacci, since it was showing this, and whenever it is broken to the bottom side, we wait for the retest of the previous support right here. So if this support is broken to the bottom side, it again will be trying to come back down towards 1885. But personally, I'm not going to take this sell trade, because if I take this sell trade, my stop loss will be way too high. Stop loss will be this much, and just for this much take profit, I cannot take this much risk. And I also advise everyone to do trading like this. Always try to protect yourself in the market. Try to take a risk of this much and make a profit of this much, and then I'm sure you will be successful. So this is one trade opportunity with us, maybe the intraday, the day trade as well. And if a breakout, then the retest, then the continuation towards 1925 right here, the market will be retesting this resistance once again. This level no doubt can trap some of the buyers, but we definitely will be looking into that, because there is another trend line going on as well. So let's see what it gives us. And this is currently going on in the market on the intraday, in the day trading level. I will highly recommend all of you to stick with the H1 during this time period, and this whole plan actually belongs to the H1 time frame. If on the H1 it breaks below, do nothing. As I have said, do nothing. This is market, it will be giving us some other opportunities as well, right? So moving on to the euro US dollar and euro US dollar, as I said in my previous videos, that it is going to come back down towards 1.0569, and it did. What's next? Definitely let's have a look at the H1, and on the H1, if we see what is going on, definitely there is something going on, and that is right here. We have a very nice break of structure from the same zone, maybe right here. If you can see, a very nice break of structure we have seen, and the seller no doubt made good profits, as I have discussed in the previous video. So what's next after that on the day trading level? First of all, if we see, this is a very nice downward trend, and the market is keep making lower lows right here. If we see, we have got a rejection from here, rejection from here, rejection from here, a rejection from here, rejection, which means, and suddenly we have lost volume right here, a tiny triangle that broke to the bottom side. It went back up, retest, and a drop, and the lower low. What after that? A little bit of bullish volume, and another tiny lower low, tiny higher high and another lower low, and seems like the market is further going down. So if it is going down, to where and which price point it can go down? First of all, I'm going to mark an area, and that is a break of structure with us, and this break of structure is also going to be the future resistance level with us. So there at the moment is a downward trend on the higher time frames, like the H4. For the day traders, on the H4, if you see it break below, it took a retest and is coming back down. So if the trend continues, where potentially it can come back down, for that I have to study this a little bit and I have to communicate this plan with all of you. If you see, market took a very nice support from there and there. This level definitely belongs to these people, and these people were trying to push the market down towards this ABCD pattern completion. They have completed the pattern, and what's next after that? We have at this stage we need to grab Fibonacci and we need to take a sell trade. So the sellers are in control right here, and this level is almost broken right here. So at the moment on the euro US dollar, it is clearly selling, and I think there might not be any good day trading opportunity right here, but the intraday one and on the M15 there might be one trading opportunity. That is, if we see, there is a very nice trend line trend that is coming down with us right here. Even it took a rejection right here as well, and I will suggest, I will prefer, if the market since this support is also broken, so it is clearly in a downward trend, and if the market tomorrow, there will be two trade opportunities. If one hits the SL, you can take another one. So if the market go back up towards that zone, we can very easily take a sell trade for this ABCD pattern completion, and the pattern completion will be, I am going to show you that right here. The ABCD pattern completion will be at this zone, in that situation, which will come around right here. Let me do it precisely with a Fibonacci tool right here. 61.8. so a sell from 1.05930 tomorrow, it can be possible if the market go back up from the same level. Do nothing, and obviously there is one opportunity if the market go back up and never respect this trend, and if it broke, then we have to find out that if it break the structure, where again if it take a retest, where potentially we can look for our targets for the buy trades. So we have to look for a previous broken level, and the previous broken level is this whole area with us for the day traders, and I am sure this trade opportunity will be very nice, and it will be suggesting a move up towards 1.06300. Now those of you who are following my weekly trades, 1.10, I was also looking for a sell opportunity. It did not give me that, and currently market is no doubt on the even on the daily time frame standing at this support zone. We have seen a nice lower low right here, a lower low, and this support has not yet been broken. So keep that in mind, that no blind selling without stop loss will be advisable in this situation. And for the day traders, definitely if this plan is followed nicely, it can give some nice rewards even to the sell side. And if you can wait, you can wait for the breakout and take a buy. If you are stuck from there, you can also close your trades up there, and that is also a good resistance zone with us, so it can give us some nice sell opportunity as well, but I will be discussing that tomorrow. Aussie US dollar I want to discuss because something similar is going on there as well, and right here if you see Aussie US dollar, so on the Aussie US dollar M15, what is going on right here? First of all, let's have a look at the H1, and on the H1 if we see, we have like this is very simple. We have got a very nice break of trend right here, the trend that I was discussing for quite some time. it broke to the bottom side, it went back up, gave us this sell opportunity. And what is next? Definitely we are on this downward trend. I would like to show you that on the M15. So on the M15 we have a very nice downward trend right here, and this trend line I want to mark it. So let's have a look at this as well, and this whole area is going to be trend with us on the M15, followed by this tiny trend line as well. And if we see, this is now currently trading in the triangle. So what we can do is definitely wait for the breakout. If it gives us the breakout, and if this is broken, and if it gives us a retest, then where potentially this market can go, we have to find the previous level, and the previous level is right here. Even if we want, we can take some profits at the Fibonacci, which I definitely suggest, all the way from there towards right here, and the Fibonacci will come near this zone of 0.64513. This is the 78, but I trade obviously this one. So this is going to be a good sell opportunity and a good breakout, retest, and good take profit zone. This will become A, B, C, and the D. The C may always not be the 61.8. most of you know. Right here, this story, if you see, this is clearly pointing towards the top. It stopped right here, and even some traders can take this sell trade right here, but this breakout trade, if it gave, very nice. If you manage to take this sell, still that is very nice. This is a very good channel as well. If I do more drawings right here, the chart will become completely messy. So I think these patterns were enough for today, and there is one ABCD pattern right here with us. I want to draw your attention to that as well. Plus I also want to draw your attention to this retest right here, and this retest which I have discussed, obviously this retest, this bottom as well. If I activate my RSI, and if I show you that on the RSI, oops, there is also a very nice divergence as well. So at the moment on the Aussie US dollar, this is going on. Tomorrow definitely I will be trying to take a sell trade from there most probably, and this is the perfect plan in my opinion for tomorrow. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section down below. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe the channel if you like, and give me a good feedback on my WhatsApp number as well. Thank you so much again. Take care of yourself. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.